Hey friends, if disk is stuck at 100% at usage at startup but nothing is running, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to remove startup programs. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Okay, and then go to the Startup tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Status. Okay, and then you can right click on the startup programs which are problematic and disable them. This will reduce a lot of disk usage at startup itself because it's a sort of clean boot. But if that doesn't help, then unplug all external devices, and I'll tell you why unplug external devices. Because a lot of devices start pushing in their drivers which also trigger background processes. Now you can keep adding them one by one, but first analyze whether it helps with the disk usage or not. The next is to pause Windows updates temporarily. Now how would you pause that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, and then you'll get this option here to pause for 1 week. Try that. The next solution is to run the SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a check disk scan. So how would you perform a check disk scan? Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is to update the device drivers. So how would you update the device drivers? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now you'll find a lot of drivers here. Expand the ones, and if anyone has a yellow exclamation mark associated with them, right click and update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.